You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we're going to take a close look at the resolution of soldiers with trunks. It's a Dragon Ball Z trunks basically. We do have A and B models. I don't get it why people want to have B. Let me know in the comments if you have ever bought these. I just want to have like a full color and I'm curious like how this thing will look. So this resolution of soldiers volume 5 from Ben Presto. So let's take a close look at it and I'm curious how good it is. Alright, so let's see in the inside. Let's cut it open. Always like a little bit difficult to keep the box original in good condition. So let's pull it out. Alright, so this is basically what you're going to get inside the box. So I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of statues, and I mean like with these, like with the black thing that you need to put it on. I'm not a big fan of those, so let's get myself the scissor to begin with. Alright, let's get it open. I must say like it's a very tiny statue. I'm not used to getting these things, but I think it's pretty damn cool if you have like not enough space. Alright, so let's get this head. There's only one head with it. It would be cool to have like an extra head. I'm not normally the biggest fan of those, but it's pretty damn cool to have it. So let's take a close look at this head to begin with. Okay, so when you're looking at the head itself, they did an amazing job with the hair over here. His facial expression is good. I don't see any paint issue whatsoever. Of course, it's a multi-part that they basically glue together. Let's see if we can find some glue. Now, a little bit of mighty glue over here, but nothing like that is really concerning or annoying. So when you're looking at the quality, it's absolutely very well done. So let's take a close look at his body and just to see how this looks. But let's take a close look at this. I really love the way how they made this pose that he's basically trying to put his glove on. At first I was thinking, is this like a mold error or something like that? Here you can see it, but I think this is not a mold error. Kind of weird. It's more like this damage in his pants that he's wearing, or is this any, yeah, this is a mold issue over here. Nothing really fancy. This is like some armor damage that they tried to do on here. But let's put his head on. Let's get your head in the game. Okay, so this is a little bit too sturdy for my taste. Is it me or is his hair just in his way or something like that? Yeah, you need to pull his hair and then put the hand out, otherwise the hair is going to be in the freaking neck. Yeah, that's the way. Come on, Trunks, you can do it. Okay, so that's basically the way how you need to assemble this freaking thing. Alright. Okay, I need to put it in here like that. Yeah. Oof. Maybe the other way around. I was like the question how to put this freaking thing on. Oh man. Alright, that's number one. That's number two. You need to like force it a little bit in. And the only thing I don't like about the base that it is made of very thin plastic. Oh man, I think I need to do it a couple times, it will break. Bandai Spirits, and what do you ever say? Made in China. I do. And don't see any weird thing going on over here. But it will give you like a very stable figure. Wow. But okay guys, so this is what we're going to get with the trunks from the Resolution of Soldiers series. I must say, like, I do like his pose. It's quite, I wasn't iconic, but I almost want to say iconic, but it's quite cool, quite passive, but it looks very cool. Said cool twice. Okay, so what I already mentioned in the video, that it's a very tiny statue compared to my other ones in my collection. But what I do like about it, I have some couple of other figures that will fit in perfectly from another brand, and it's almost like the same size. Okay, or better said, the scale. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this Trunks. Are you a big fan of the character or you don't care about it? Let me know. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.